Do you think I was actually able to lose 1 pound this week? Keep watching to see my results.
Hi curl friends, welcome to Naturally Shanice. I'm Shanice, your favorite curl friend and mom bestie, guiding you through your natural but healthy hair journey. When I'm not sharing my natural hair journey, providing you with tutorials and product reviews, I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a fitness fanatic, and if this interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're gonna get right into today's vlog, okay, which is week 1 of my 20-pound weight loss journey. It is exactly 1 week from when I posted last week's vlog. If you haven't seen it, check it out here. I'll do a card for you to click on so you can watch after this video, but it shows you the start of the 20-pound weight loss journey. So this is officially the end of week 1, and today I'm showing you the weigh-in. I'm showing you, what my body looks like, current state from from the start to completing week 1, weigh-in, and I'm just going to talk about some of the foods and some of my struggles this week. And I love the discussion that we have underneath last week's vlog. So many of you can relate to exactly what I was saying about just being older, gaining weight, or just even, getting back to better habits and discipline. One thing I need to say is that I'm on vacation, so I'm really trying to stay consistent, which is why, you see a different background and people walking and stuff like that through. But hang in there, stick with me, guys. Okay, so let's get into week 1. Overall, week 1 wasn't harder than what I thought it was going to be. I feel like last week, because I did so much planning with the meal prep, I already had all the meals planned out. I went grocery shopping. I was very diligent about my time last week. I made all of my workouts this week. If you recall, the goal was to work out 6 days a week, okay, with 6 days of cardio and 5 days of weight training, and that's exactly what I did. And so I'm excited. I switched it up throughout the week. I went to spin. I went to spin on one time. And then I did various forms of cardio on the treadmill. I went outside and did some hill sprints, and I just stuck to the weight routine. And let's see if all of that worked to lose weight. Now here I am right here getting on the scale, and you guys are gonna see. Last week I weighed 195.4, and let's see what I came in for this week.
It's weigh-in time, time to take that weight. Okay, so last week I weighed 194.6, I believe. Okay. And how embarrassing would it be if I weighed more than that? That's my goal. I don't want to weigh more than what I weighed last week. Ultimately, if you recall, the goal was 1 pound a week. So we'll see if I reached it. If not, this is going to be terribly embarrassing, and you guys are going to think I'm a whole entire fraud. So here we go. 190.6. Get into it. Hey, that's with no cheat meals. Doing what I have to do. Week 1, cardio every day. I'm excited about that. Here I am, week 1 in the flesh, 4 pounds down. I'm extremely happy. You can't tell that there's, mind-blowing body transformations here, but as the weeks add up, you will definitely be able to tell. Slow and steady wins the race.
She lost weight. I'm so happy. I was gonna be very, very, very embarrassed if I got on that scale and it went up, okay? Like, very, very concerned if I gained weight. But even if I did, sometimes it's just part of the journey, right? And then I would know that I need things that I need to tighten up. So it seems like the prepared meal, staying around 6 ounces of protein. Let's start from the beginning. I would work out on an empty stomach, which is called fasted cardio. As soon as my workout was done, I came home and I had a protein shake. And then I had about 6 egg whites, and you guys can see me I'm pouring eggs into stuff with salsa. And then I had a cup of fruit, whether that was blueberries or pineapples or a mixture. Then for lunch, I did my pre-made salads. That was the salmon salad, 6 ounces of salmon, green leafy vegetables, and I measured out the salad dressing to 2 tablespoons. Then I would have a snack in the middle of the day that would also include about fruit. I'm walking you guys through the rest of the week after this. And for dinner, I would stick to the 6 ounces of salmon, the broccoli, and the sweet potatoes. And this is why I was able to actually lose more than what I was anticipating on losing. I know every week won't be like this. Some weeks I probably won't lose. Some weeks I'll lose 1 pound. But remember, my goal is a pound a week. And if anything that I learned this week, I learned that with proper planning, diligence, and consistency, I could do it. Oh, I also had no alcohol all week too. I know that when you're trying to lose weight, you probably shouldn't be drinking. So I didn't have any alcohol. I actually had about 100 ounces of water every day, 2 big 50 ounces of Essentia water. What else did I do? And that's about it. So if you're interested and you want to stick with me on this journey, don't forget to subscribe so you can see how I'm doing week 2. But your girl is down to 190, okay? Here's how the week went for me. It's just a little recap so you can kind of see some of the foods that I'm eating. I'm going to share some recipes with you on how, as I'm cooking, and it's just a vlog of my journey this week, all right? So let's get to it.
Day 1 of the road to 20 pounds is complete. It wasn't a bad day at all. I literally forgot to vlog throughout the day. So I'm so sorry, but here's some little snippets of the things that I ate. I did stick to the meal plan. So I had a protein shake post-workout. First of all, I did fasted cardio, okay, on the treadmill, 30 minutes. And then I lifted weights. And then when I got home, I had a protein shake. That was probably like around 9 o'clock. I came back and I didn't eat till 1, which I did not plan on. I wanted to eat earlier, but I had a call and some other things to do. And I didn't want to eat on the work call, blah, blah. So anyhow, I ate lunch at 1 o'clock and I had the salad with the salmon that I prepared. And then I had an afternoon snack, which was Cheez-Its. I measured it to a serving. And then I did a cup of strawberries and blueberries. That was around 3:30. At 7 o'clock, I ate the planned meal, which was the salmon, the broccoli, and the sweet potatoes. So that's what I had. Okay, this is day 2, breakfast. I have, be quiet. I have egg whites here. And these are just from Wegmans. I just poured it in and filled up the, filled up the pan. I used about 1/4 of the carton. And so it says serving size, 3 tablespoons. I don't know how much I did, but you know, it's clean. We'll see. Lean protein here. And then I have some blackberries, blueberries, and pineapple. I also have a protein shake. I'm gonna top off the egg whites with just some garlic salsa because I'm a sauce person, but I don't want to consume a whole bunch of sauces because sauces tend to be really high in fat and counterproductive to actual weight loss. So we're trying to keep. It's the end of day 2, and I wanted to show that I just got home. It's literally 9 o'clock at night, and look at that. Meal is empty. Instead of going out to eat, I brought my food while I traveled. Hold on. Oops, sorry. I brought my food while I traveled to take my son to his to baseball this afternoon. Update. This was really hard, so I had to move the fries over there because it was just too tempting for me, guys. So tempting. I have 1 pound to lose this week. That's it. 1. This is day 3. I have to eat out today because I'm at my son's. I didn't bring my food to my son's practice, so I'm literally did like this little Cobb salad with shrimp. It's a little bit of ranch, so it's not drained in ranch, and I think that this is going to be okay and in line. Yay, I made it to day 4. Here's how I make my scrambled eggs. I start off by using a 1/2 teaspoon of the Wegmans shallot and thyme butter, and then I just pour in enough egg whites to cover the actual pan. Salt, pepper, onion powder, the Tony Ray's, it's called like Southern seasoning, and then I scramble it up just like regular eggs. I measure out a cup of blueberries, and then I go ham on the salsa because salsa is really simple. Day 4, it is, what time is it? 5:29, and here's an example of a midday snack because I'm going to eat dinner around 7:30. So here I have a 1/2 of an avocado with some garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. I have a 1/2 cup of, what is this, pineapple, fresh pineapple, and then 4 egg whites with the yolks removed, okay, to cut down on fat. So this is what a snack looks like for me.
I hope you enjoyed week 1 of my 20-pound weight loss journey. I'm excited about it. I feel good. I'm going to stick to the plan, which is going to be exactly what I did last week. I'm going to continue to do that this week. Anything that I can do to help fine-tune my eating, I'm going to continue to do, because I'm serious about dropping this 20 pounds here. What else? So yeah, stick to water, stick to my prepared meals, stick to the workouts, stick to primarily no alcohol. I'm not going to sit here and pretend like sis is not going to have a drink or two. Okay, she is. I did have headaches all week, and I think that's because I didn't do any junk food or sugar. I did very minimum sugar, so I think that's why I had a headache pretty much all week. So hopefully that gets better. Anyhow, like I said, this is this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. What questions do you have for me? If you have questions, write them in the comments. Let me know how your journey went this last week. Let me know if you need recipes. Let me know if you want a fitness expert to come on, which I am definitely planning on bringing in a fitness expert. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram so you can see like the day-to-day of what I'm doing, in and outs, my actual workouts, stuff like that, okay? So subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment, question, let me know what you want to see, and until then, we'll see what happens after the week 2. Hopefully I can be down another pound or 2. All right, see you later, girlfriends. Bye.